postaneš Slovenec? Z Michaelom Manskim. 22. del, part 22.
Kako se zdraviš?
So, I got sick last week. The average adult gets 2 to 3 colds a year, so it wasn't really a surprise. There's a difference, though. Because I don't like to wear slippers and I sometimes leave the house with wet hair, there are many Slovenes who cheer every time I get sick. It's a chance for them to tell me, I told you so. Because of that, nowadays I'll often wear slippers just to avoid the lecture that comes with not wearing them.
O, Michael,
Dober dan.
kar naprej.
Hvala.
Na, tu imaš copate.
Hvala.
Kaj je, Michael, si prehlajen?
Malo, ja, grlo me boli pa polni nos imam.
Aha, no zdaj pa vidiš, zakaj so copati pomembni.
Copati?
Se spomniš? Takrat, ko si prišel na obisk, pa nisi hotel copat in si rekel, da nič ne bo.
To pa je bilo več kot 5 let nazaj.
Točno to. Ti pa si rekel, da ne bo nič.
In sem imel prav. To je bilo, samo malo, ne vem, če je Slovenija sploh bila v EU-ja takrat.
Ja, pameten si zdaj, ja. Zdaj pa imaš.
Pa še poletje je bilo.
Včasih pridajo počasi ven virusi.
In misliš, da je virus bil 5 let v mojih nogi, preden mi je inficiral?
No, upam, da si se danes kaj naučil, ne? Ne bodi več tako pameten. Imaš srečo, da imaš samo prehlad. Kaj pa, če bi umrl?
No ja, eventualno pa bom umrl.
Evo, vidiš. Upam, da boš potem razumel, zakaj so copati obvezni.
When it comes to getting better, Slovenes are never short of ideas. I've heard all kinds of suggestions on how to get healthy, stuff like...
Ja, sladkor si zagrej, šnops ligor pa zmešaj vse skupaj.
Or...
Zmešaj smrekove vršičke s šnopsom. To ti bo 100% pomagalo.
Or...
Malo borovničo zaspi, pa bo takoj boljše.
Or even...
Malo šnopsa si daj v čaj, pa boš takoj zdrav.
Or...
Vzemi žlico medu, na vrh pa popij šilček dobrega domačega žganja.
Or...
Veš, kaj pa jaz naredim in takoj pomaga? Deci travarice dam v žajblji v čaj.
Basically, the Slovenian cure is to take something out of the forest, soak it in schnapps, and then drink it. And to be honest, you probably will feel better. It won't cure you, but you'll probably feel better. Definitely warmer. As you may have noticed, alcohol plays an interesting role in the healing process here. Some Slovenes will tell you it's great because it, quote, kills all the germs, end quote. Now, I've actually looked into this, and while it's true that ethanol kills germs, you would need to have a blood alcohol content of 60% to kill all the germs in your body. That's pretty much 60 times higher than the amount that will kill you. You'd have better luck killing germs in your body by burning yourself alive. However, Slovenes aren't the kind of people who give up easily or back down from a challenge, especially when it comes to žganje.
How to become a Slovene with Michael Mansky.